Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will show you how to download Notepad++. Let's begin. At first go to Google and type here Notepad++. Yes, plus plus. Go to this link, download Notepad++. You can download any version of Notepad++, but I will suggest you should download this update link. You can download it as a zip file, as a mini portable file, and also a download file. And you have to download it as your features of laptop, like 36 32 bit or 64 bits. And I will download it from here. I have already downloaded it, and you have already understand my health condition by listening my voice. Yes, download. I have already downloaded it. I will again download it to show you. It's only 3.7 MB, and from here you can open it. I have already downloaded it. That's why I don't need it to again download. That's why I will. You have to click yes, but I will click no. And after finishing your download, yes, Notepad plus plus. I have also installed from here. Open or run as administrator, no problem. The result will same. Yes, you can see that. Do you want to change, want to allow this app to make changes your hard drive? Because all of your apps and everything information will image in your hard drive on your computer or PC. So uh, I will not allow, because I have already installed it. And after uh, downloaded it, I have already used it. The new one will show you like that. Have you type anything like that, you have uh, you have saved there from control S. And how do you save it, like file name, how do you save it as a extension file or something, or only save it like a document? I will save it like a document. Complete. No. 20. And you have download everything. You have type everything from here. You have copied informations and database your data from here, and you have pasted it your online any exam anywhere, no problem. And that's all about it. And happy wish you all the best and happy journey to for using your uh, Notepad plus plus. Thank you. And keep watching my channel and keep stay with me, and please subscribe my channel. Goodbye friends.